What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you how you can download and install the Oracle VirtualBox machine. So from your search bar, it could be Google or Bing, just search for Oracle VirtualBox download. Here I am going to select the first link and this is what your page should look like. Scroll down and select the package for your operating system. So I'm going to go with the Windows installer. The download has been initiated. And once the download has been completed, what you need to do is go to the folder and open the executable file. So here I can select open from here, select next. We are going to keep the defaults, select next, yes, and select next, and then finish. So that's it. So now let's open our Oracle VirtualBox. So from your search, you can search Oracle Virtual. And then this will come up, so select it and here we go. So now we can start importing and creating our own appliances. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.